This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So the first step is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network. So I have all of them active, like so. Then open up the control center if you haven't already. Find the shortcut that says nearby share. Here it is. Touch and hold at the icon. At the following nearby share page, switch this toggle on. From here, you can rename the device. So I'll rename this one to HardReset GT, whatever. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility. And once visible, you can choose the mode for it to be visible for only your devices, people from your contact list, or anybody that is in range. And finally, you can also change the data mode that will be used for file transfer. So at this point, we're all set. Let's just test this feature out and see how well it works. I will try to send some image to my Realme, like this screenshot, let's say. So I'll share nearby. Wait until my GT gets discovered. Here it is. Tap on it. Then accept on the receiver's end. And, well, what I can say, great success. We have successfully and effortlessly, should I say, transferred the picture from one phone to another. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.